our obligations under the law. Okay, sir? Sir, ganito.
Let us follow the rules.
Ito na ang sinasabi ko, sir, na we can do this the hard way. We can do this the easy way. The easy way, sir, is for you to choose 3 people to accompany PR to the plane. May bus dyan. And he's going to the plane. Okay, sir. The hard way.
What plane is this, sir?
Ma'am, chartered flight.
Chartered flight from?
Okay.
So we need
The
to
hard way.
know. We need to know where you're bringing our president.
Ma'am, the hard way.
Sir, we need to know. Please give us information
Makinig ka muna, ma'am.
where you are bringing
Wala sa pay grade ko yan, ma'am. Tagalogin na natin.
Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin.
The hard way. The hard way.
Po kami.
The hard way is for me to